Hey there, my name's Nadernejad, the owner of Nadernejad Media, fixing online reputations around the world. If you've damaged your online reputation, you had a case and maybe it's been expunged, maybe you're still going through it, but you have negative articles on the internet, I help those people. I help you boost your reputation and launch up like a rocket. If you need my help, contact details all down below, no guesswork, send me a message. We're going to be talking about the industry. What is it and how does it work? What is online reputation management? We know what it is. I mean, you're fixing online reputations. Okay, but let's move a little bit deeper. Let's break it into layers. How does online reputation management actually work? We have 3 stages, we have 3 levels of online reputation management. Number 1, online reputation management for individuals. You're a person, your reputation has been affected, you need help. That's for you. You might just be someone who was slandered, maybe an ex put up a negative content about you, maybe your employees have said negative things about you. The next stage, we have online reputation management for businesses. And now businesses, we're looking at negative Google reviews, negative Yelp reviews, bad consumer reports, Better Business Bureau, horrible ratings. We have articles published, blog posts, the list goes on, but we have it for businesses as well. And the next stage, we have online reputation management for governments. We're looking at political officials. We're looking at people who have damaged their online reputation and have these massive PR firms that pay them millions of dollars to fix their online reputations. We have 3 different categories for online reputation. So how do we go about fixing an online reputation for an individual versus a business? There is no difference. There is literally no difference. A person is an entity. A government is also an entity comprised of individuals. A business is an entity, whether it's incorporated or it's a sole proprietor. It is an entity comprised of an individual or many individuals, and we fix each of them the same way. Isn't that miraculous? I'm going to tell you that traditional PR firms are completely behind online reputation management. In fact, I'll go even further to say they have no clue what they're doing. They generate press releases. They will help you change your brand or launch another campaign or distract a little bit. But those top articles are always ranking on the internet. If you get a bad article on Fox News, on CNN, in the media, you're done. You are done for, okay? So I've not only been helping people boost their reputations, but as I've been moving along, I've been buying media. I've been looking into buying Google stock. You know, I'm manipulating the search engines, and then I'm buying stock in Google. Okay, so when I get a client, when I build up my work and my portfolio, I'm going in and I'm investing in something like Google. Everything I'm doing is about getting into the media, getting both feet in and being able to change it and sway people's opinions so that I can help my clients. Now, is online reputation management unethical? Is this a bad thing? Am I a bad human being? I'll tell you what I went for school for. I went to school for journalism. I have a degree in journalism and I worked in a newsroom. I've worked in a few different news outlets and I understand what it means to be a journalist, but it also means I understand the inside of the industry, and I don't think journalism as a profession is perfect. I don't think journalists just inform people in the most objective way possible. I think there are good journalists that are well-meaning, but they don't always think of the whole picture. It's more of a moral pursuit. And you have, someone was speeding on the highway and now he has a negative article on the first page of Google for stunt driving. Okay, yes, he was charged. Did the whole world need to know about that? Was he a person of public significance? No, his name was Greg. He was speeding on the highway, and you just wrote an article about him because you couldn't meet your quota for stories for the day, and you've completely ruined his life. So now Greg can't feed his kids. Was this discussed once? Was online reputation, was anyone's reputation discussed when I was studying journalism anywhere? No. I'm not just referring to where I went to school, I'm referring to anywhere. It's not inside of the curriculum. No one is teaching people about that. No one is even thinking about how they're changing people's lives and what's so bad about that. Journalists are more concerned on whether they're going to get sued for libel or whether they're providing the misinformation. Okay? So they're just objectively informing. That makes sense. You're objectively doing your job. But that doesn't mean that I can't go in and manipulate search rankings so that my client can go ahead and live a productive life. And if you're somebody who doesn't believe in that, you don't think someone can become a contributing part of society and stay that way because they did one thing wrong, then you have to really reconsider your values. So that's online reputation management in a nutshell. That's the industry. That's what I'm doing. That's what I've committed my life purpose to fixing people's online reputations. And that's where I'm at right now. So if you found this video insightful, people, like I looked at other videos about online reputation management, it's just kind of like regurgitated info. It's like, what is online reputation management? How do we do online? If you found this video a little bit different than that, please subscribe. Smash the notification bell. It's such a small industry. I'm trying to help people in it. I would really appreciate it if you just gave that a little boost. Stay tuned to the channel and let's make this more of an issue. Let's start talking about this. This needs to be in public discourse. I'd really appreciate your help. Thank you for watching.